Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Beverly and today we are going to an open house. We're going to see two different units. Now these are units that we were contemplating back before we chose this house that we're currently living in. But at the time there was a delay, and so it was a delay with an undetermined date of when the development would be ready, and so we kind of chose this house by default due to that fact. Not that we don't love this house, we do love this house, we do love the community, but the houses are ready now to go on sale on the market, and we decided that we're gonna go and check them out. So I decided I was gonna bring you guys along with us. So there's two different units. I think I said that before. A detached 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and a townhouse that's 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. So let's go see what kind of house I maybe would have bought. We maybe would have bought. Let's go.